how cute. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. You saw the title, you saw the thumbnail. Betty Boop and Doc Marten did a collab and I had to purchase it. I had to, and I managed to get my hands on a pair of their shoes. If you're not new to my channel already, you do know that I'm obsessed with Betty Boop. Like, Miss Thing's already over there on my wall, you know what I mean? I love Betty Boop. I'm pretty sure, yep, she's here as well. I love her. Betty Boop, Hello Kitty, anything to do with them, I love it. And the fact that Doc Martens did a collab with Betty Boop is iconic, to say the least, and I just had to get my hands on them. First off, I'm gonna say it was on ASOS, and I'm not gonna lie, I did not even know about it. My friend posted it, one of my close friends posted it on their Instagram story when I was out for cocktails, and I saw it and I was like, oh, you know what I mean? I had to get my hands on them. I literally was purchasing them. It was like low in stock. I was like nearly having a mental breakdown because I knew if I did not get my hands on these shoes, I'd regret it for the rest of my life. Like, it'd literally just be there in the back of my brain for the rest of my life. So I got them and let's just unbox them. As you can see, they've not been opened and I just can't wait to get into them. So let's just open them. Okay, here we go. I feel like ASOS is really good for doing, Jesus Christ, ASOS is really good for doing like, guys, look at the box. I didn't think the box was going to be this cute. Oh my god. I have three, this will be my third pair of Doc Martens. I actually can't wait. 1 second, let me just get a thumbnail photo and then I'll be back to open these. Oh my god. I actually can't believe this is a real thing like this. Oh my god. There's no doubt in my mind that I'm not gonna love them, but there is a teeny little doubt. I think I paid £156 for these, or it might have been 59, I don't know. But it was 150 something pounds, so that's a lot of money. We all know Doc Martens is pretty expensive, but I do recommend you buying some Doc Martens because I've had one of my pair since I first started college, so that's 3 years ago now, and they still look brand new, and trust me, I've worn them that many times. I've got 2 pairs of the big double platform boots. The blisters are worth it, trust me. Trust me, it's only in the start you get blisters. But anyway, enough of me rambling. Let's just get into the parcel. Right, okay. I feel like I should show you as well. Let's. Look how cute the box is. I didn't even think about anything like the box, right? Let's just, what's that? Okay, let's just grab the shoe. I'll do one shoe at a time, maybe. Yeah, I'll do one shoe at a time. I'm so excited, and I'm going to Amsterdam literally in 6 days, so I think I've planned an outfit for these to go with, and I'm so excited. Okay. More rapid to do. Oh my god, that, guys, the details, oh my goodness, it's giving me very much Emma Chamberlain vibes, not gonna lie, but I absolutely love that. Look at Miss Thing on the front. Oh my god, I don't want to peel the sticker off. Look. So much. Look at the little love hearts on each side, and then I didn't even know this, but if you can see here, they're like love hearts going round, and then the shoelaces, I think that's the only thing that's kind of, no, it kind of goes with it, but I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of the shoelaces, but maybe I should just swap them out. But overall, and they're like double platforms as well. Oh my god, they're absolutely stunning. Let's unwrap the other one. Oh my goodness me. This has just took my Betty Boop collection to a top tier, hasn't it? Like, oh my goodness. Oh, thank goodness there's another pair of laces in here, because I don't know how I feel about velvet. Like, it's like a velour velvet. I don't know how I feel about black velvet, but there's another pair of laces here, but then I don't know how I feel about them laces. I'll probably ask for my mum's opinion and then she'll tell me. And another detail that I've just spotted is, you know where the shoelace holes are? That's like a metal heart. How cute! I love this. This at the front though, it's just iconic. Like this, I was gonna tell you the outfit that I've got planned for it, but I'm not going to. These cute ass shoes with a pair of white, like cute little cutesy socks. Oh, so cute. I need to try them on, don't I? Let's try them on. I've just been taking everything out to try them on. What if they don't fit me? I didn't even realise that. Oh my god, I'll cry. Guys, I'll cry, because best believe they're all going to be sold out now, aren't they? If they're not, I'd recommend you go get a pair. They do have the big boot as well, and it's like, it's got Betty Boop on the side. Betty Boop or Betty Boot, did I just say? Betty Boop on the side. But I wanted a pair of these because I've always wanted a pair but just never got them, because I thought, no, I can't pay that much, but if Betty Boop's face is on it, of course I can pay that much, you know what I mean? Guys, they're on. Look how beautiful they are. It does not help that I'm wearing like long flowy jeans right now, but if I try and pull them up to show you, like, I've never had these kind of Doc Martens before, and I kind of love it. I don't think I have any shoes like these. I'll show you my Doc Martens. These are my other Doc Martens that I have. So in the other collection was, I think it was something like this one, the original double platform ones, and then it had like Betty Boop on the side in black. But I had to go for these ones because, like I said, I've always wanted these kind of Doc Martens shoes, but just was like, I can never do it. I can't pay that price, but I can now. My Queen Betty's on it. I can't get over them. I feel like I'm not doing them justice, but I'm really trying, guys. I just love them. They're so cute. Oh! Adorable! I've just realised these would go perfect with this jacket. I'm going to have to take this jacket to Amsterdam with me to wear with these shoes, because is that iconic or is it not? I don't know. I think it is. It's cute. It's matching shoes, matching jacket, absolutely perfect. I need to make these Betty Boop shoes a prized possession in my wardrobe, because they are now in my heart. So I've got the box here. I don't know if I should like put them on top of the box like that, and then put my other pairs at the back. But then I feel like you can't really see the other pairs. Does it matter? I don't know what to do, guys. This shelf is a bit wonky as well. It needs fixing. I'm going to actually fix that today, so. But should I have it like that? Does that look cute? I feel like it does. Like, I can't have them there without the box, can I? So they're now my prized possession. I'm not even taking the stickers off them yet. Oh my god, guys, I've just realised something. Let me show you. So on each shoe, she's doing like a different pose. Please focus. There we go. She's like blowing a kiss on this one, and then on the other one, she's like giving a little wave. How cute is that? I didn't even notice that. Let me push that. That's triggering. There we go. So this is where I'm keeping them. Yeah, that looks cute, don't you think? Yeah, I like it. I love it. And I'm actually a fan of the laces now. When I tried them on, I was like, no, actually it goes with the shoe. So I won't be changing the laces. Before I end this video, I just want to apologise if you saw my tan lines. I'm not a fake tan kind of girl. I always will be a pale girl at my heart. But I was out in the sun for about 2 hours. The British weather has been scorching at the minute, and this happened. And you ready for this? Look at that. I literally got sunstroke. It was that bad. I've been tanned that bad. But anyways, enough talking about that. Thank you so much for watching this video. It means the absolute world to me. Make sure to stick around, because on Sunday, the Amsterdam videos and vlogs will be starting. So just dropping a little hint for you there. I will be vlogging Amsterdam for you guys and putting it all up on my channel. I'm so excited because I've planned really cute looks and I just can't wait for you to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. It means the absolute world to me. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it would really mean a lot to me. It genuinely does. And I will see you on Sunday for another video. Bye!